Hello, welcome to the Digitized Education of Parents for Children Protection Projects training. My name is Oktay Shahbaz, and I am the coordinator of the project, acronym Depcip.
Hello, welcome to our Depcip training course. My name is Elif Körpe, and I am one of the researchers in the project.
Hello, welcome to our Depcip training course. My name is Vehbi Onur Demirciler, and I'm one of the researchers in the project.
In this video, we are going to explain the Depcip project, its objectives, project partners, and intellectual outputs of the project. In the training course videos, we will present to you the content prepared by Depcip project team. Let's get started. Digitized Education of Parents for Children Protection Project is an international project that aims to educate parents in digital ways against child abuse and neglect. The project is funded by the Turkish National Agency within the Erasmus Plus program between the years 2019-2022. The priorities of the project are to support parents, promote children's rights, and prevent violence against children, to extend and develop the competencies of educators and other personnel. This personnel support adult learners, open education, and innovative practices in a digital era and social inclusion. Now, let's look at the project partners of the Depcip project.
Kütahya Dumlupınar University, founded in 1992, carries on the activities with 11 faculties, 1 school, 1 graduate school, 14 vocational schools, and 21 research centers. In total, the university is serving more than 45,000 students at different cycles. The university has been integrated with Europe in the framework of European Commission Bologna process. Through international relations, Kütahya Dumlupınar University performs student and staff exchange with European countries and other countries from around the world via bilateral agreements and Erasmus and Mevlana exchange programs. With continuous academic, scientific, and cultural developments in the international area and different forms of national and international cooperation of exchange programs, Kütahya Dumlupınar University offers many different perspectives in scientific area to the students in accordance with the competences of 21st century. Founded in 1983, Hellenic Mediterranean University is a public educational institution in Greece. The institute, one of the 36 higher education institutes of Greece, offers quality undergraduate and postgraduate studies to more than 14,500 students in the fields of informatics, engineering, health, agriculture and food, economics and management, and environment. Education is delivered at the base campus in Heraklion city at 5 branches in towns of Greece. All courses are completed within 4-year period, and they conclude of lectures both in theory and laboratories. The university is constantly being ranked at the top of the list of its peers, while it has received wide recognition for its direct contribution to the development of both Crete and Greece. Mykolas Romeris University is a leading university of social sciences research in Lithuania. Modern, creative, and entrepreneurial academic community has raised the university to the leading university in social sciences and interdisciplinary research in Lithuania. The university cooperates closely with over 300 universities, public and private institutions, takes part in academic, professional, and intersectional networks. Mykolas Romeris University engages in fundamental and applied research, takes part in national, regional, international research programs and projects, practically applies research results and disseminates them to the public. Currently, 15,500 students study at the university. It employs over 800 researchers, and the total staff number is over 1,000. About 200 doctoral students study in the fields of law, management and administration, psychology, philology, economics, and education. The university is known for having one of the best infrastructure in the country, modern library, auditoriums, and lecture halls that are equipped with the very latest equipment, allowing internet connectivity and providing computerized workstations for students and lecturers.
The University of Milano Bicocca is a young and dynamic multidisciplinary university founded in 1998 in Milan, Italy, which is amongst the most dynamic and international regions in Europe. The university offers academic excellence, cutting-edge laboratories, and interdisciplinary research funded in the framework of national and international programs. With 14 departments and 2 schools, the university offers 32 bachelor's degree courses, 38 postgraduate, 17 PhD programs, 30 specializations in the medical field, and 36 master programs to approximately 33,000 students. The strategic fields of the university focus are health and life sciences, biotechnologies, material sciences and chemistry, economics, environmental sciences, psychology, and sociology. Interdisciplinary research is coordinated through more than 70 research centers, research consortia, and foundations. Spin-offs in the following fields are ICT, biotech, energy, medicine, environment, nanotechnologies, biomarkers. M&M Pro Future Training is a modern trainer provider and intermediary organization founded in 2014 whose staff has wide experience in managing and implementing training procedures and activities that give them enough skills and knowledge to develop the activities related to a wide range of projects. The company, which is in Barcelona, Spain, is specialized in different spheres: the development and management of projects under different programs, creation of quality standards based in ISO for quality management, need analysis, weight training and qualification, and more. Their work focuses on the connection between business needs, organizational plans, and human resources management, and M&M is constantly carrying out analysis in order to develop and improve companies and their staff. Kütahya Provincial Directorate of Family, Labor and Social Services is a governmental organization which is working as one of the directorate of the Ministry of Family, Labor and Social Services in Turkey. One of the aims of the ministry is to provide social services that strengthen the individual and family within the framework of social values. The directorate is working as a part of national network and making the arrangements for headquarters such as child services, disabled and elderly people services, family and society services, and women's status. Ministry of Family, Labor and Social Services is responsible also to produce and maintain social policies in Turkey, which provide sources for disadvantaged groups to make them more powerful and enhance their coping skills. These groups can be characterized by people who often face poverty, victims of violence, children in need of protection, or victim of neglect or abuse, people with disabilities, and people who do not have access to some biological, psychological, or social resources. Kütahya Bar Association, which is the union of lawyers and attorneys, will take place in this project as an associated partner. Within the body of Kütahya Bar Association, a commission called the Commission of Women and Children Rights takes place to deal with the issues related to women and children cases in general and to interfere and prevent any kind of such case using the sanction power of universal law. After getting to know the project partners, now let's look into what we have done at Depcip project and what we have created so far. We have produced 5 items as 5 intellectual outputs.
Intellectual Output 1. Analysis and need analysis of the situation. The main objective of this intellectual output is to understand what is happening in each country in connection with violence against children by interviewing parents in each country who shared with us about their experiences. This provided us with new perspectives about child abuse and neglect. Intellectual Output 2. Education Package. The main objective of this intellectual output is to support the dialogue between parents and children on child abuse and neglect which are very sensitive issues. Intellectual output 3. Digital tools, training videos, mobile application, and e-platform. This intellectual output is innovative in terms of transforming the classical and traditional learning environment to flexible and digital learning environments. With developed digital tools, the training will be more attractive with the usage of ICT-based methodologies, which make the adult training more dynamic and modern. These digital tools will also provide the increase of digital competences of the adults. Intellectual output 4. Academic papers. These academic papers will be written for each intellectual output to create an awareness in academic world. The papers written during the project will also be in e-platform, so these papers will also raise awareness in adults, parents, stakeholders, and individuals who would like to get information or make something against child abuse and neglect. Intellectual output 5. Guidebook. The last intellectual output of the project is a guidebook, which will be a kind of smart book for the users. In this guidebook, the keywords related to child abuse and neglect are all connected to each other with hyperlinks. The expected impact of the outbook is that the people who are fed up with unnecessary and complicated information may feel attracted by this simple but effective tool. In order to get more information about the Depcip project, you can visit depcip.com. With Depcip project, we would like to save even one child from any abuse, kind, and neglect. With this project, we will throw a stone to the lake where the abuse and neglect cases do not get the deserved attention. Its wave will spread out to stakeholders and individuals who would like to contribute to the prevention of child abuse and neglect. Thank you very much for contributing this project.